Pavarotti. Oh my god, really? Oh my god! Welcome back to the channel. It's only a quick video today. I've got a bit of an issue with the MX-5. I'm taking it to another auto test on Sunday. It's Friday today, and the weather's really nice at the moment, and the MX-5 is becoming a bit of a pain to see properly out of it. There's like little sun visor things, but they're so small that they don't really do anything. So I've picked up a Sunstrip off eBay. It was this much, no idea, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm just going to fit it now. Hopefully it should stop the sun glaring in. Don't know how legal it is. I think it's supposed to be like 10 mil or something out of the swept area with the windscreen wipers. I don't have to find that out, but I say it's only for the auto test, just to keep the sun out my eyes when I'm going around, hopefully anyway. Plus it looks cool, but I'm not really too worried what it looks like, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to go and fit it. It's about 1,000,000 degrees outside at the moment as well. I think it's like 28, 29 C. So hopefully the vinyl isn't just going to melt and go horrible, but I'll give it a go. I wouldn't. You're not really supposed to fit it in this sort of heat, but it's the only chance I've got before I go to race the old Mazda. So I'm going to go and fit it anyway. I'm going to use loads of washing up liquid. It's like soapy water, just to keep it cool, and hopefully it'll make it easier installing it as well. So yeah, let's go and give it a go. So there you have it. Much better in here anyway. A lot more shade up here now. As you can see, these don't really block out a lot of the sun, so it's purely just for, it's not for looks. Not really too fussed what it looks like, but it's more just to keep the sun out when I'm doing these auto tests, so function over looks in this case, although the wrap doesn't really sustenance that, but hey ho. So yeah, there you go. The only other thing I would say is don't do it in this this sort of heat, because it's really malleable, the vinyl, sort of like semi-melting. It's like, I don't know, like 28, 29 degrees I would say at the moment outside, and direct sunlight. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'm going to take it for a drive. I'm not sure what the windscreen wipers are going to do when they go on. Hopefully it won't take it off. I think they're just going to come up to around here somewhere, the sweep, but I'm going to let it fully dry and shrink itself down, etc. So hopefully we will be all good. So there's I don't know if that's a better view, but it seems to have dried out pretty quickly because the sunshine is baking it on. A lot of the water's come out from underneath it, stuck pretty well, so feels good. Red hot, but might just need to touch these edges up a little bit with the knife. Yeah, that's nice and bubble free, but the actual knife, I'll show you the knife. It's it was used for cutting plasterboard, so it's a bit blunt, and I didn't have any spare blades. I just wanted to get it on there quick. Look at that, pretty ropey. So covered in plasterboard and all that sort of stuff, but it done the job. I wouldn't recommend it, but anyway. Well, I've got the camera up, looking up slightly, hopefully you can see it. But that is the view that oh, Pavarotti's out. Get back. Yeah, hopefully you can see, oh my god, really? I'm not going to keep doing that. Hopefully you can see the view that you get with the Sunstrip. It's not too bad actually, to be fair. Feels a lot more closed in here, which is quite nice if you're into that sort of thing. Yeah, I just got this, off the subject, I just got this vinyl player thing for free, so it's got a Pavarotti CD, not a CD, vinyl. Oh, he's out again! Go away! Yeah, so I'm going to clean her up, whack her on eBay as you do, make a couple of quid, but I digress. This is the view. What do you reckon? Oh, Luciano Pavarotti. Pavarotti. Right, anyway. So there we have it. So there we have it. The, oh my god. This is not the easiest way to drive. Right, there we go. Right, try again. So there we have it. The Sunstrip is installed. It should make my life a lot easier next oh my god, on Sunday when I do the auto test. So at the Isle of Wight College this time in the car park, so we're just going to go hooning around the car park, around the cones, all that sort of thing. Hopefully do some big skids, and obviously I'll bring the camera along and make a video of that like I did last time at the last one. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, this little thing, so that you're subscribed, ready to watch the next one. There's also a little bell icon down there. If you hit that, it will ping up on your phone next time I upload. Oh my god, Pavarotti is trying to escape. Yeah, hit the little bell icon, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.